any website to all pages. What are the page you design to check the broken link information? Suppose we can start by this website. Any broken links will be there. Go to nimtools.com. You can check option is called broken link finder. Select it. They check the total information. Any broken links will be there. They give the status information. They give the status information. I'll show one example website. Our extra example will be 2-3 website example. I'll show by one website here. Just refresh. They are total checking your website information. Any broken links are there. They will find out by where? In this nimtools.com. Nimtools.com, they give the total website information. What are the needed will be. They support by YouTube and your website. So we'll check information. Yeah. Everything okay? Check. Anything will be showing error, that is called will be failure. Internal links and the external link. External nothing but out of the website. When you click the link, they open for the some other new tab. Facebook, everything will be fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many external links will be? 8. Is it clear? This will be very, very important particular site. See this. And select it. Shiny services. Copy. Broken links. Broken link finder. Select it. They check the total files. How many interlinks, how many external links. So external links will be created by the website to YouTube, website to Facebook, website to Blogger, everything will be created. Every option will be included by your option call is interlinks and external links. Internal nothing but in your website links. When open click, they open by your website. External nothing but when you click, they open for the new tab. So just they will count. Just you can share the list. So everything will be okay. I'll find out by where. Services, wallpaper painting, 404, broken link. So this Pinterest, and then 404, broken links. How many broken links are there? 2 broken links. So these links will be removed on your particular website. Which one? Wallpaper painting and come into your Pinterest, shine services dot here. Is it clear? This is a very, very important and particular option. Is it clear? This is a very important by your particular things. So check the any website broken links easily find out by the nimtools.com.